Welcome to Tech Y2K. Follow these steps for troubleshooting internet is not working issue. First, restart your PC. If internet connection not working, please follow following steps. Turn off your router and turn on it after 30 seconds. If the internet is still not working, then chances are there is a problem with the Wi-Fi adapter. It can be easily fixed with a built-in troubleshooter that comes with Windows. For that, right-click on the network icon in the taskbar and select Troubleshoot Problems. Windows will automatically look for network problems and fix them. Still, the issue is not fixed. Go to the network settings, select network adapter on your PC or laptop. If you're using Wi-Fi, you have to select Wi-Fi adapter, or if you're using Ethernet cable, you have to select Ethernet adapter. Go to adapter properties. Internet Protocol version 4. Go to the General tab and set this setting as this video and click OK. Disable and re-enable the adapter like this. Now click on Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on the icon and run as administrator. Now run these commands. You can copy these commands from description area of the video. Now restart your PC or laptop. Still, if internet issue is not fixed, try to disable your virus guard temporarily and check internet issue is fixed. If not, you may contact your internet service provider for help. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.